Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and permissions. Plug the tether cable into the device first, then the host to avoid transient detection errors. Once done, enable tethering or file transfer in your device settings and accept any trust prompts. This ensures data and power negotiate correctly. Make sure battery is above 10% or connect to power to prevent dropouts, and avoid passive hubs. Use direct ports for stable enumeration, so the host recognizes the device immediately. You now configure the active connection and stabilize it. Choose the right USB mode on the device, USB tethering for internet, file transfer for data, and change settings on the host if you need a static IP or specific DNS. Once set, verify the host received an IP and can reach the gateway. Use ping to test. Also, make sure battery savers or VPN clients are off because they can interfere with routing. Finally, lock screen timeout to prevent sleep interruptions while transferring. You finish by closing the session properly and knowing quick fixes. When done, turn off tethering or safely eject the device before unplugging to prevent data corruption. If the link fails, try a different cable or port, then reboot both devices. Simple swaps often resolve handshake problems. If issues persist, check for host drivers or device firmware updates and toggle airplane mode to reset radios. This single step clears many stubborn connectivity states and gets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.